Good morning all and welcome to my channel Balcony Garden. I am Dr. Kea. In my previous video I have shown how to propagate Sansevieria from leaf, and today I am going to pot the new Sansevieria plant. For that I have taken the earthen pot, 1 part of garden soil, 1 part of coco peat and 1 part of compost. I have soaked this coco peat in water previously, and that's why it looks moisture like this. Now I am showing you the baby Sansevieria which I have grown previously from leaf, and I will give you the previous video link in my description box. For that, the new baby Sansevieria which grown from the leaf, the root coming, and that's why I have taken this glass of water to show you properly the root and the baby plant. This is the baby plant, root coming out from the leaves. Leaves was rotten, that's why I have cutting this, and now this baby plant grown from the rotten leaves. This earthen pot has a hole the below. Secure this with this, and after that I have given some gravels inside the pot. Now I am mixing well these three very well, mixing the whole things uniformly this way. This should be mixed very well. The three things, that is the coco peat, garden soil and the compost, should be mixed thoroughly. I have filled the mixture 2/3 in the pot. After filling, place the baby Sansevieria inside the middle of the pot and filling the pot with the remaining mixture of soil very well, and I gently press the soil so that there should not be any air gap in the pot. Now this is ready, and I am going to watering this. I am going to watering this in this way that till the water coming out from the bottom of the earthen pot. Wash the plant with spraying the water over the plant, baby plant and the leaf. I have to water it till it coming out. More water need to pour. I have to pour more water. Now it is coming out, and I will keep it in the shade for another 10 days so that the baby plant can adopt in this new pot. Thank you for watching.